Okay, this is part 2 of how to do this on your own. Alright, right now it's done recording. It's running the information to the disk. And then we're going to finalize the disk. Let me find that remote control first. You're going to need the An-Epileptic-Kid controller for this. And you can also look up the information in the manual for finalizing. But first what you want to do is click OK on this. Hit play.
That's right.
Yeah, but it's there, it's just not a...
Then you want to hit stop. And I'll explain why. While the video is playing on the DVD, you cannot set this up for finalizing or finalization. Okay, now you hit setup on your controller, which is right here. This will come up. Go all the way down to disk edit. If it work, there we go. And then you want to finalize it. And then you hit yes. And then finalization will begin. And depending on the data on the disk, it may take up to a few minutes to several hours. That's what the manual says. So when the finalization is complete, I'll make the next video.